manifold exhaust leak that the mechanic told me wasn't really a problem, or I didn't really need to do anything about. But it almost sprays and hits me. And then this thing is leaking. And then it looks like it's leaking over there.